Hey, what's up, guys? All right, we are taking questions, and this one is, what are the difficulties to live as a freelancer? I think, I think that there's a couple difficulties, I guess. And, one of the main ones is consistent work, right? Like making sure that you have another contract coming in or a way that's going to, provide steady income. Because you never know, like some of these clients can just uh, stop. There's a lot of uncertainty in that area. And when you don't have kind of like a full-time employment contract, you can just be terminated very quickly. Like I've had many jobs that just end abruptly with no type of warning, and it sucks. And you're like, oh no. So realistically, you just want to have strategies in place that make sure that like, okay, you're working with a few different clients. You can make sure that okay, if that one doesn't work out, you got others coming down the pipe, other forms of income. With a lot of I talked about this bunch. Is almost like setting up dividends with your business, with your freelance business, and that is in the form of usually like affiliate commissions and other types of like passive income plays that as you're working as a freelancer, you can kind of get some like tertiary income working. So you're never just like pulling in months where there's just zeros on the board. Like there's always a couple $100 coming in, or like maybe even a thousand that like okay, maybe rent could just be covered by these things. And, so you want to make sure that as you are working as a freelancer, I call it a stock and dividend play, that your stock price is your hourly rate. And what are you doing to keep increasing that stock price of yourself? And then again, the dividends, that passive income that say, okay, as my stock goes up, how can I kind of cash in on a dividend play and maybe use my wisdom for maybe some upside partnerships with clients instead of just paid directly, or just like, again, like the affiliate stuff. But there's other plays too that, you can maybe like a retainer or something like that, where maybe that's not as passive, but at least it's a little more guaranteed than hourly work or something like that. If you feel like you need some of the risk taken away from just relying on hourly work, or, how you're setting up your project. So thanks for the question, and we will talk soon. Bye-bye.